Okay, so this is my kitchen. I am so famished, I'm so hungry, and I really want to swallow. Yes, I want to swallow. I'm a Nigerian, I like to swallow. Okay, so I actually want to prepare a little poundo. This is it, a little poundo for myself this evening. It's just a little portion just for this little beautiful sexy mouth to eat. This is it. So I want you to join me to see how I make my poundo. It's not difficult and it's very nice. Oh my god, very nice, very nice to swallow. Okay, so just watch me, let's do it together. Yes, you will learn one or two things, I promise you. You know, in all my videos, you don't come here and you don't pick one or two things and go without, as in, you don't learn. You need to benefit from each of my videos. So in these videos, we are going to be doing this poundo together. Let's go. Okay, so this is my small pot and this is my water. I just did a little quantity of water. Okay, just a little quantity of water. I don't know if you're seeing it. This is my water. That's my water. A little quantity of my water. Okay. Yes, I want to balance my camera. Yes, okay. Yeah, that's a little quantity of water because I don't want it to be much. I just want a little of it just for me alone. Okay, so this is it. On in my gas. My gas is on now. I actually want my water to boil. Yes, a lot of people have different methods. Okay, they have different methods. I really don't know what your method is. Yes, I don't know what your method is. A lot of people they want to do it start putting the poundo from the start while the water is still cold, but I like doing my own for my water to boil. Okay, so I'll just put it and I'll just turn it. So let's do it together. Now the water is on fire. You can see my fire. This is my gas cooker. You can see my fire. So I'm actually just waiting for it to boil. Yeah, we are doing this together, right? Yeah. Okay, it's boiling. My water is already boiling. Yes, it's on the fire. It's already boiling. So I'll just go ahead to put the poundo, and I'll also be checking the consistency, the water consistency in it. I don't want it to be too hard. I don't want it to be too soft. So watch me. I'm putting it, and this is my stick. This is a stick. This is a turner I use to turn it. Okay, I think they call this. Is this scapula? Something like that. Yes. Okay. So I am turning it. I want to reduce my fire so it won't be clumsy. So this is it. I'm actually turning it. I believe you can see me. Don't worry. I'll bring the camera close by. I just wanted to see what I'm doing for now. I don't want much quantity. That's why I used a little water. I just want something me alone can eat this night. Yes. So for me, this quantity is fine. Just a little. Just a little. Yeah, it looks as if my water is small and I put a little water inside. Okay, so you just have to be careful about the water consistency. So it won't be too thick. Okay. And it's not really small. Yeah, let's look at what I'm doing. Let me get my camera so you can see what I'm actually doing. This is it. I believe you can see it. That's the quantity. We are still on it. We are still turning. We're still turning it. We're still turning it. It looks small. small to me. But let's see. Yeah. Maybe I'll just eat this small one. I think so. Should I add more? Yeah. But when you add more, if you know what you did is small, you could add a little water. Okay. You could add a little water just to increase the quantity. Then you could add more of the poundo. Okay, just be careful with the consistency. You add a little poundo, then you turn it. Look at, I'm turning it. I'm turning it. I just want a little. Okay, this is nice. I don't want too much of it. This is it. I'm turning it. Look at. My fire. See it? Okay. I know somebody will say, this is too small. Why are you eating this small poundo? How will it be? How will it satisfy you? I don't really want much, okay? I don't really want to swallow much this night. Just a little is fine by me. Yes. This is amazing. Look at it. It's not soft, it's not hard, it's just there. It's just there. Yeah. This is very, very nice. I'm done. Yes, I'm done. It doesn't take time. It doesn't take time. Don't be afraid that, oh, you know, how do I make this? How do I start turning? It's gonna stress me. It's gonna do this. No. It doesn't. It doesn't. Okay? It doesn't. So this is it. This is it. It's ready. It's ready. Okay, I'm going to bring it out of the pot into my plate so you can see how it is. Okay, hang on. Yeah, so this is ready. Just a little. I didn't do much. Did not do much. So I'm going to be bringing it out. Watch out how I bring it out, and you see it in my plate. Okay, so this is it. This is the end result, and this is my soup. I had the soup already. I was actually making it hot. It is hot. So this is my poundo. So beautiful, so soft and succulent to swallow. Are you seeing it? You see, I believe now you can know how to make a poundo for yourself or for your family, for your spouse. Please try and make one tomorrow. It's very simple. It's easy. Okay, so this is the little quantity I'm going to be taking this evening. And now my soup is ready. Okay, I want to do it with vegetable soup, leaf soup. This particular one is called, in my dialect, it's called afang soup. Okay, so I know a lot of you know the soup, and a lot of people love the soup. Yes, it's very very interesting to consume. Yes, if you don't know how to make it, you can also put in my comment section. Please teach me how to make afang soup. Teach me how to make okazi soup. Some tribes, they call it okazi leaf. Is a leaf. Okay, you use the leaf with water leaf. Remember my previous video, I said I wanted to make a soup with water leaf, and I couldn't find the water leaf in the market because it was weekends. This is the soup I actually wanted to make. This is the soup I made, okay? Yes. So you make the soup with water leaf. Look at it. It is afan soup. Very delicious. Very nice. You put your periwinkle inside that you eat, that has shell, okay? It's very nice, okay? So I'm ready to eat my food. I know you want to see me eat. You want to see me swallow? Yeah. Okay? So let's do it together. Yes. I'm done in the kitchen. So now let's go to the eating part. Look at how it is. This is my food. You like it? Okay. Let's go to the eating part. So, how do you like positioning yourself to eat? Don't say this lady is a local lady. I like eating, sitting down on the floor, eating. So this is my swallow. Join me while I'm eating. Let me get my water. I'm eating my poundo. Okay. Yeah. You know, they brought us up in the village, so we know how to enjoy yourself while eating. Yeah. Wow. See my poundo, my vegetable soup. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My poundo, so succulent, so soft. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My god. Yeah, this is the periwinkle I told you about. I'll bring out the periwinkle that is inside. So delicious. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Mm. I know somebody will be saying, is this soup not too much? It's not too much. I eat plenty soup. You need to eat plenty soup. Another one. Mm. 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 See why I said I don't want to do plenty. Am I okay? What happens to this one? You can preserve it in your fridge. Yes, you can. You don't need to throw it away. You can. You preserve it in your fridge. Oh, I'm already full. Already filled up. Oh. I hope you enjoyed eating with me. This is delicious. Amazing. Oh. See you in my next video. Oh.